I am on vacation. I am on summer vacation. This is my hotel room. This is my comfortable hotel room.
I sleep in. I usually sleep in on vacation.
I sleep until 9 o'clock. I sleep until 9 o'clock in the morning. Now I get up. Now I get up. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get ready for the day. I quickly get ready for the day. I put on my sunscreen. I always put on sunscreen before going out. I take my sunglasses. I never forget my sunglasses. I take my water bottle. I take a cold bottle of water. I take my phone and a portable charger. I always take a portable charger. Now I go downstairs. Now I go downstairs. I enjoy a breakfast buffet. I enjoy a big breakfast buffet. Now I want to go to the beach. Now I want to go to the beach.
I ask the receptionist. I ask the receptionist for directions.
Excuse me, which way is the beach? Excuse me, which way is the beach? Is it far to walk there? Is it far to walk there? Do you rent bicycles here? Do you rent bicycles here? I love to go sightseeing. I love to go sightseeing by bicycle. I ride through the streets near the beach. I ride through the streets near the beach. I ride through the local streets. I ride through the local streets. I take photos. I take many photos. Now I feel hungry. I feel hungry for lunch. I want to try local food. I want to try authentic local food. I go to a local restaurant. I go to a local restaurant. I ask the waiter. I politely ask the waiter. Which local dish should I try today?
Which
Local dish should I try today? Not too spicy, please. Not too spicy, please. The food is delicious. The food is surprisingly delicious. Next, I visit a souvenir shop. Visit a small souvenir shop. I look for a gift. I look for a gift for my friend. How much is this souvenir? Excuse me, how much is this souvenir? Any discount? Any discount if I buy more? In the evening, I write my journal. I write in my travel journal. This trip recharges my batteries. This trip helps me relax. What a wonderful vacation! What a wonderful vacation! Thank you for joining me. See you in the next video.